Great morning, student. Today we are going to discuss about the first chapter, applying style in discuss. We continue our chapter from this slide. So, great morning, student, and how to create a style. After that, there are the two way to creating style, applying style from selection and applying using fill format. So after that we going to start our this topic, creating a new style. How can we create? There are also two way. First is creating a new style using selection, and second is creating a new style using drag drop. Today we are going to discuss drag and drop option. So open the document. Firstly, everywhere we going to open document and format the text. Open the style pen and select the style category under which you want to create a styles. Okay, firstly style pen open करेंगे and select the category, which category you want to apply on your text. Second is select the formatted text and drag drop द सिलेक्शन इनटू द स्टाइल पेन. मीन्स ड्रैग ड्रॉप का मीन्स क्या है कि आप अपने हाथ से उसको मूव करके, माउस पॉइंटर से मूव करके उस लिस्ट में सेलेक्ट कर देंगे. द ग्रेट स्टाइल डायलॉग बॉक्स ओपन. पूरा एक हमारा जो डायलॉग बॉक्स है वो ओपन हो जाएगा. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज टाइप द नेम फॉर अ न्यू स्टाइल एंड क्लिक ऑन ओके. न्यू स्टाइल का नाम टाइप करेंगे और उसको ओके कर देंगे. नाउ next we are going to discuss about creating a new style from the selection. Creating a new style from the selection, so that is our creating a new style. Firstly we select the text. After that is the option is drag and drop option. So how can we drag and drop option? There is a text. Firstly we select the text and firstly we format this text, and after that we move drag and drop in the list. So our text is moving there. Now next is modifying style. There are the two way to modify styles. First is updating on new style from the selection and loading a style from the template for another document. Okay, now today we are going to discuss firstly updating a style from a selection. So first option is same like the other. Firstly open the document and create a new paragraph. Here we create a new paragraph. Format the paragraph as per your choice. Select the paragraph in a document. Select the paragraph in a document. And click in style pen. Select the style you want to update. Click on the new style from the selection item and select update style. Next option is select the selected style will be updated, a new formatting effect. So there is some option also available. Some open the document which you want to copy the style. मीन्स उस डॉक्यूमेंट को हम ओपन करेंगे जिसको हम कॉपी करना चाहते हैं. द स्टाइल पेन क्लिक ऑन the new style from the selection icon, that is our slide selection icon, and select the load style. So we are going to discuss related to that updating a style. You see in this picture, firstly we open a document. After that we format the text we format, and after that we going in this list in click icons. After selection click icon, after that we going to second option. There is update style option. When we click, after that we can apply our style. Now we are going to discuss here, that is loading the style from the templates. What do you mean by templates? Are you understand what do you mean template? Templates are the pre-designed format and figure. ओके जिसमें मीन्स जो अब आपका टेक्स्ट है, इमेजेस हैं, ऑल थिंग्स आर सेट इन द टेम्पलेट. सो फर्स्ट इज ओपन द डॉक्यूमेंट. एवरीवेयर वी गोइंग टू दिस प्रोसेस इन विच यू वांट टू कॉपी द स्टाइल. फर्स्टली ओपन करेंगे डॉक्यूमेंट में और विच स्टाइल यू वांट टू कॉपी, देन यू कॉपी फ्रॉम देयर. इन द स्टाइल पैन click on the new style from the selection item. Okay, after that a new select load style. क्लिक ऑन द स्टाइल, या फिर इसको डायरेक्ट भी आप चूज कर सकते हो. एक तो ऑप्शन है ये कि आप डॉक्यूमेंट ओपन करोगे विच यू वांट टू कॉपी द स्टाइल. इन स्टाइल पेन क्लिक ऑन द स्टाइल फ्रॉम द सिलेक्शन एंड सेलेक्ट द लोड स्टाइल करोगे, ऐसे भी अप्लाई कर सकते हो. दूसरा वे है क्लिक ऑन द स्टाइल मेन्यू. आप स्टाइल मेन्यू में जाएंगे डायरेक्ट एंड सेलेक्ट द लोड स्टाइल. ओके, यू कैन सी इन दिस पिक्चर हाउ कैन वी अप्लाई template in document. So that is our document. Firstly we write here something, after that we going in selection icon. There are the three option. So second option we have already discussed. Now we are going to discuss load style. There are the predefined templates, we can select from there. Okay, and automatically you can apply on your text. Now load style dialog box open. There are the these options: the text, frame, page, numbering. All right, these thing we have already discussed. Text means alphabets या numbering word. If you want to formatting the on text type of format, then you go in there. Frame, if you want to insert picture, then you go in frame option. If you want to change the page setting, page color, page border, then you go in page border. Now next is numbering. If you want to give the numbering of the page, then you go there. Overwrite, if you want to use that document according to your content, then you use the overwrite. So if you click on there that load style option, then this type of dialog box will be appear. There are the option, these option are here. Which option you want to select, then you tick there, and after that from file and okay. Now your style will be loaded. Okay, it's your last slides. I hope you understand this topic.